In this video, I'll show you how to properly use our tie-down straps on a roof rack. And the best part? It can be installed in minutes. Let me show you. Step 1. Open all the car doors. Step 2. Place your cargo on the roof rack. Step 3. Thread the strap under the roof rack, over your cargo, then under the roof rack on the opposite side, and back up to the buckle. Step 4. Press the buckle with your thumb to open it. Feed the strap through the buckle from the bottom to the top, then pull to tighten. Double-check if the strap is correctly inserted by pulling it from both sides. Step 5. Repeat these steps for the second tie-down strap. Step 6. To eliminate any humming or buzzing noise while driving, simply twist the strap before threading it through the buckle. This breaks up the airflow. Step 7. You can secure the excess straps the old-fashioned way by clamping them between the doors, or you can use the Velcro loops next to the buckles. This will extend the lifespan of the straps. That's it, all done. Our tie-down straps are great to safely transport your cargo. So, what are you waiting for? Get your own Hang 11 tie-down straps today and elevate your transport game.